Seneta wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi norĩtie Minista wa Rĩera Soipan Ntuya na mwandiki munene Okiya Gitonga kulionga mwithone yo imenti notira kari barabari ya kuiba witikirwo coka mwithone yo na witambire na kurima mweno yo menyera akiaririra kuwatanirite na atongiria bangi kewandi Bwamite Kadhuri awite okulokero ntobo gwatire nyamwitho yo kwithira yo ikarua no MC o municipality awite ngwe yo theri kethira bakanda mitina gwachiwo mimenyera nongelete na kuwa antu babatere witikirwo coka mithone bo kenda kumenyera mite amuna atongiria bangi baraba okinyete kimambura yani amuna mubunge wa North Imenti Rahim Daud yabrato tariri mwandiki wetu Antheto Muthuri Murioki.
Kiume kimwaki na kaunti ya Meru ndombete kwandang miti nguruki ngiri magana jana ja 50 na ntikwe narua kwandi miti ngiri 20 joni kulingana Benjamin Kinyiri abiso menyeri mwitu amana wanjiko manyata baraba otongerete narua kiathoke wandi mitete na kaunti ya Meru.
We have been able to plant today in this site 20,213 and during the build up for the last 1 week we have been able to do 454,000 seedlings, which actually within the Meru count is quite commendable. For sure, Meru County has a forest cover of 29.63, which actually within the next 10 years, we want to make it to be 35%. And being 35% tree cover, for sure that will be meeting our national target, which is 30% within the next 10 years.
When we say 10% tree cover, we mean the provision by the Constitution. But we realize that as a country we can even do better. So we challenge ourselves to get to 30% by which year? 2032. So both are right, and when we talk about 10%, we are saying the provision by the Constitution, because the Constitution requires us to get to 10%. But we also challenging ourselves to get to 30%, and actually we are beyond 10%. So we are approaching the 30%, and that is why I said at farm level, target at least 10% of your farm to be under tree cover.
Mna bubu Seneta Meru Kadhuri Murungi ora ukaikiathone giki menegnya MC wa municipality na MP wa North Imenti Rahim Daud petha bakionekana muno bakiariria mantho kumenyera mitiji bakiwekera ikwendekana ni ikundi be kumenyera mwitu ni be CFA yeweka nyanguruki utonya mitu neji nikenda kumenyera miti bakanda into bila bieku
na nkona juu na mati sana kira gikundi yake na gikumakia nura mitiji ga survive no to at some point ngombe no chija guku lakini muito tujwa roho imenti apa imenti mwaga nara chogoria inkoromba muno Kenya Forestry Service ni identify nara kuina sports inga pweto jeto kuandaja itawa foresting range kire andoja conservation ya identify ona isemu jeje wananchi baba ntureji ibeje bana inkoro muda juju bambe balime joderwe kabisa bande miti bachogeru bande thuri munga kana ikwachibira bititie goro bithukia miti na ikwachibi ubyakora inyaba ketha mbure mo kana mbure ijire miti no yaitia ya kuneka munda na baba katha mabageta antwa
na ingo itikaniria ogwe imantu ja survival rate cia miti ria twanda na arua kenda miti ji ithira ina survival rate ni bati kwithwa imenya irwa niro tugatha twa grow trees tatu tikwanda miti ria twanda mbere tatu grow trees kenda yumbi kwija gututetheria in the future na ketha igintu kitu kwenda utithina iyo community yaja inenkerwa areas jeji irima no tunando tukona ikithaka kiaja
amna bubu Seneta Meru Kadhuri Murungi agwa akachitaniria nikenda kuja kwane na ikundi bibi amana thirikari bitikiro tonya mitune takagita kwa kagita akethwa akirionga guntuku nikenda gutigira mitene kwandwa punka ikundi bibi bikanya kulima imera
nikwenda kuungana na conservator ule oraja kaunti Meru tuthiurukenwe to identify nara wananchi babati kwewa na mite wekora woni kethwa ndi no tambo ombura ingwita mitine ombura ingwita kuona nikenda mwananchi ethero benefitaga na mwito jogita atia juchoke jukure so iwi nkoromba buru na mindia bere uni operenje kwande naja na ngethwa ndi champion ndi Seneta Meru woni nthomete mantu ja forest conservation Kia wande champion yokuthiuruka mundene iji kuhakikisha mete ne gwitai ni kuguhata na ni gwita bwega no ntu ni ngugu yetu ira tuthuriri twena MCA Caleb atwire chairman yo CFA Community Forest Association ya area for a long time na ito chaina nirete management angiwe plans na antu ba Kenya Forestry Service so gutengu gwithirwa ke gwitwa irigo no ntu CFA chionde ichairu thora kwa access mwitu na ndi parliament ta mwembere 2013 onda committee na environment eto twathithire sheria cha gwitikiria community itonyaga mwito ende kumenyera mwito te kuthukia
na kimthenya na arua kinya kampuni iria imera mantu aru itati kwa nyuma ni mantu ja kumenyera rera
ni program tukotambia tuimika sure asini batutiri water sector baba ndene ya department ya Ruji ina wa voters kana ina wa budgets tukitambia tukero kita some funds tukitambia tukigura miti na toa saponya community setu kwa komba mbele kwa na miti especially the catchment areas ndene miro yetu yonde to make sure antu ba kwa na miti digatu komba kwa na Ruji rakongana ine size jaga mono nyetu chokere president yetu kadho mono antu ba we kantu kuije special antu bondo bomba kumira bomba gutuika antu kwa na tukometenga specific ya kwa na miti.
And in this region, this is the source of the water of our Seven Forks, Masinga, Kiabere, all the dams across down. That water comes from here. We shall be able to conserve this forest, not only for our generation, but for future generation. And that is the call that we are heeding to make sure that we plant, grow our trees. So by the year 2032, the call by the President of 15 billion trees, we shall achieve that.
Muthuri Muriuki, Mwaru Juma.